Alright guys, welcome back to this tutorial. Now in this tutorial we're going to look at how to limit the number of text that appear on this. We want to have it in a single line and limit the characters to about 50, and at the end of each line we'll have a single dot representation if the line is too long to be in a single line. So we're going to use ellipse size and max length. So to go about this, let's first of all, max length, I'm going to say this to 50, and ellipse size, I'm going to say end, and then max length, yeah, max lines actually, to 1, just for one line. And so ellipse size end will add 3 dots at the end of each automatically, like you're about to see. So if we check it right now, you see it's 2 lines if the text is long. And if you update something like, hi there, this Android app is worth $1,000,000. We wish, update that. And you see we have it in 2 lines. Now we want to have it in 1 line and have 3 ellipse size so that somebody can click it and view the whole message here. So to do that, we have just done it, and let's run it and see the difference. Okay, there we have it. So that when somebody is, this is a long message, if they click it, they can now view the whole message and go back. So that's it for this course, I believe. So far we've learned a lot of stuff, and actually in the next tutorial I'm going to customize this launcher icon to make it something nice, not just an arrow like we have it here. This is not cool, so I'm going to show you how to change that launcher icon. And that's it for this tutorial, so I'll see you in the next video.